huruf mufridat. Today we're going to learn the correct pronunciation of the 7 heavy letters amongst 29 Arabic alphabets. These 7 letters are always pronounced in thicker voice and they are called musta'liya letters. When I am reading these letters, I'll be explaining the correct articulation points as well, so you can read these letters with ease, inshallah. Let's start. First letter, kho, from upper part of the throat, heavy. Kho, sod. So this letter is pronounced with the raise in middle part of the tongue. Wod. This letter should be pronounced correctly when you touch the side of the tongue with the same side of upper back teeth. You can choose right or left side. You can touch both sides at the same time as well. I'll choose right side with the same side of upper back teeth. Wod. Tip of the tongue in the roots of 2 top front teeth and raise the middle part of the tongue. Vo. So vo will be pronounced correctly when you touch tip of the tongue with the edges of 2 top front teeth, and we have to raise middle part of the tongue as well. Ghoin. Ghoin, again from upper part of the throat. Qaf, raise back of the tongue. So these are the 7 heavy letters. I hope you have practiced and now you can read Qur'an and pronounce these letters heavy there. Please share this video and like it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Jazakallah.